How to make your eyesight better in just 5 minutes a day. Did you know your eyes get tired, dry and strained because you barely blink while staring at the screens? But what if I told you there is a simple, scientifically backed way to ease that eye strain just 5 minutes a day? That's right, a few quick exercises, mindful breaks and a bit of fresh air can reboot your eyes faster than you think. Ready to see better again without squinting like a secret agent? Let's dive in. Forget expensive gadgets or miracle cures. All it takes is a few simple daily habits to get your vision back on track. Just 5 minutes a day divided by 1 minute session of simple exercises and you will be feeling much better in no time. Here's the ultimate guide. Blink every second, especially during screen time. First off, blink like you're trying to win a blinking contest. Staring at the screens slows your blink rate down so much that your eyes start feeling like they've been abandoned in a sandstorm. And an American Optometric Association study found that this dry eye effect is a sneaky cause of redness, irritation, and even headaches. Blink every second for a minute or two to start developing a habit. It's like giving your eyes a moisturizing spa treatment. Picture your eyes slipping into a warm bubble bath, finally getting the hydration they've been dreaming of. Bonus points if you pretend your eyelashes are a little fans cooling your eyeballs down. Look away every minute. The great escape plan from screens. Screens are like clingy ex who wouldn't let you go, constantly demanding your attention. This causes eye strain and blurry vision faster than you can say refresh. The golden rule here: look away every minute, yes, every single minute from your screen and focus on something 20 feet away for 3 seconds. I know it feels awkward at first, like you're daydreaming during a meeting, but your eyes need this micro vacation. A friend of mine did this and said the chronic headaches disappeared. Science call it accommodation relief, but we can just call it a world perception saver. Light stretching exercises, yoga for your eyeballs. Your eyes have muscles too, and guess what? They get stiff and tired just like your legs after a marathon. Try these simple moves. Look up, center, side, center, then diagonally. Repeat slowly, like you're giving your eyeballs their own little yoga session. It helps to alleviate eye strain and relieve elongated eyeballs to normal shape, so light can focus on the macula. There is an old study that shows these exercises also improve blood circulation in the eye muscles, eyes, and reduce fatigue, deliver nutrients, clean sludge, and it is the same as the other parts of our body. It works. We pump the biceps to recover it and develop it. It gets stronger and durable. Neck exercises. The plot twist your eyes didn't know about. Your neck and shoulders play a huge role in your vision. Tense neck muscles can mess with the blood flow and nerve signals to your eyes, causing blurry vision or discomfort. Try gentle neck rolls and shoulder shrugs every hour. A colleague had strong eye strain until she started doing neck stretches daily. Boom, vision and comfort improved dramatically. Turns out your eyes aren't just loners, they're part of a bigger team. Seriously, give it a shot. You feel the eye strain melt away in a seconds, but need a combo of everything. Palming. Give your eyes a warm hug. It's like giving your eyes their own little moment of rest and relaxation. Just cover your eyes with your palms. No pressure, please. And breathe deeply for 30 seconds. Focus on the eyes, how the eye muscle strain goes away and the eyes go back to spherical shape. and after you will see a few percent better. This eyesight relaxation technique blocks out light, calms eye muscles, and reduce eye strain. People feel the full benefit. It's like a mini spa session for the eyes. It's a perfect excuse to take a break and do absolutely nothing, and you earn it. Dynamic relaxation. Shake off that screen tension. Dynamic relaxation is all about gentle movement to release tension. Not just in your eyes, but your whole face. And forget about stress by focusing on relaxation. Try gently moving your body side to side, especially when your screen time feels like a full-time relationship. Take a break and swing side to side and find an automatic state of relaxation that helps to relieve all tension in your body. Walk outside without staring at your phone, because fresh air is eye candy. Finally, step outside and take a walk, but resist the urge to stare at your phone. Fresh air and natural light give your eyes a much needed reset. Walking outdoors engages your peripheral vision and helps relax eye muscles. Focus on near objects all day. A 2020 study shows that natural light exposure helps reduce myopia progression. We need to look far also. It is training of the eye muscles, plus walking is a double benefit for you. It boosts blood flow to your entire body, including your eyeballs, and gives your brain a breather. Me personally trying to walk daily for an hour. Your eyes deserve VIP eye health care. Your eyes are the main tool to see around, so treat them like stars. Just 5 minutes a day of blinking, looking away, stretching, palming, dynamic relaxation, neck work, and fresh air walking can change the game. Start today and check out the free course video in the description or the premium option Eyesight Academy.